Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your crypto trading with Webull, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Webull app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Select the Crypto tab to access cryptocurrency trading options. Review the list of available cryptocurrencies. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to trade by tapping on it. On the Crypto Details page, review the market data and price charts. To place an order, tap the Trade button. Select the type of order you'd like to place, such as market or limit order. Input the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. Review your order details carefully. If everything looks correct, confirm your order. Once your order is executed, you will receive a notification. To secure your crypto assets, enable two-factor authentication or 2FA. Go to your account settings. Find the security section in the settings menu. Follow the prompts to set up 2FA using your preferred method, such as an authentication app. Make sure to back up the 2FA recovery codes provided by Webull. Next, familiarize yourself with Webull's security features. Consider setting a strong, unique password for your account. Regularly monitor your trading activity and account balances. Stay informed about potential security updates from Webull. Educate yourself on crypto security practices, like avoiding phishing scams. Always use secure connections when accessing your account. Keep your device's software updated to protect against vulnerabilities. By following these steps, you'll enhance the security of your crypto trading on Webull. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.